We kick things off with football. The cash-strapped Jamaica Football Federation is taking steps under the guidance of a FIFA financial consultant to finally move away from restricted funding by the world governing body. Christopher Scott reports.
Checks by TVJ Sports have revealed that a FIFA-appointed chartered accountant has been working with the financially unstable federation since last month to whip the Michael Ricketts-led body into shape. The year-long consultancy move comes 4 years after FIFA put the JFF under restricted funding.
JFF does have a financial consultant here afforded to us by FIFA, who is a Jamaican that has come on board from March. He'll be here for 12 months. FIFA is paying for him for us. And I'm happy for that, because the truth is that we could not afford someone that is so well qualified given our current situation. So I'm happy that FIFA has afforded us this opportunity.
But how did this arrangement come about?
They have been discussing it with us for a little while, that they would provide this this consultant to us. In fact, from last year, October, myself and the president had gone to a conference in Miami with FIFA and CONCACAF, prior to me coming on as General Secretary, of course. And we had discussed this matter of FIFA assisting us with getting off what is known as restricted funding. Now, the restricted funding happened because we did not have proper financial governance in place and policies that were suited to FIFA. And we are on restricted funding for over 4 years.
Chung was asked to indicate what is the current state of affairs with the JFF.
In the past few months, FIFA has expressed that they are satisfied with the progress that is being made. Because we've been under restricted funding for so long, it is a process to get off of it, and FIFA does not meet every month, and this is every 3 months or so. So they are paying for this consultant to come in and help us with put policies in place, and I'm very happy with the progress that's being made.
And Chung, who served as chairman of the JFF's financial committee for 2 years before taking over as general secretary last November, is pleased with the strides being made by the JFF to implement stronger policies.
The policies that he's putting in place, which we're going to see some stronger policies come the end of April on a matter of financial governance. We would have put in the procurement policy as of December last year, which FIFA was happy for that. They have been asking us for that. And you were going to see stronger financial governance.
Chung reasoned that the financial governance of the JFF should start showing marked improvements within the next 2 months. Christopher Scott reporting for TVJ Sports.